Weber Refrigeration understands the importance of keeping your family comfortable and safe from the cold weather. That's why we're proud to offer high-quality Lennox furnaces. Lennox furnaces operate at up to 98% efficiency. Older furnaces operate at 60% efficiency, or less. High-efficient furnaces are quieter and safer than older ones, and can really save you money. For a free estimate on a new furnace, call Weber Refrigeration. We've been here for you since 1980, and our promise is the same. For prompt quality service, call the guys in the orange trucks.